Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. John Belkowitz here, Intelligent Concrete. Whitney and I, say hi, Whitney.
Hi.
Look at the road, babe. So we're heading over to Denver. The ASTM is out in Denver today, which is a rare occurrence. So we've got to definitely show up at some committee meetings, but wanted to just go over really quick what ASTM was. Is that what I had to do?
Oh yeah, we can do that one right now.
Okay, so difference between ASTM and ACI. Now ASTM actually stands for ASTM International. I think once long ago it used to stand for American Standard Testing Materials, but it's just ASTM. The other one that we often use in the concrete industry besides ASTM, and I'll describe what other one here is in a second, is ACI. And ACI stands for the American Concrete Institute, despite the fact that it says American, is both of them are global. Now the difference between ASTM, and correct me if I'm wrong, Whit, and ACI is ASTM is evaluations and specifications. Right?
That sounds right, yeah.
For materials or even tests.
Right.
Or procedures.
Like actually writing the standards,
Standard specifications,
Yep.
evaluations. ACI is guidelines on how to use the ASTM to make good concrete.
Right. And then also, writing the case studies and that sort of thing. More writing about work that's been done rather than how to do said work.
ACI.
Right, ACI.
Did you say said work?
Yeah, I did.
That was pretty legal.
Did you like that?
Yeah. All right, so I think that was a great explanation. Here's our drive. Hopefully I'm doing that right. The beautiful, what is that, the Castle Rock conglomerate that we're driving into from the Dawson Creek Formation?
Yes. Ooh, look at you.
I know
Mr. Colorado geologist.
my Colorado roadside geology. Okay, so yeah, we're heading to Denver. Y'all have a great day. Let us know if you have any questions. Go concrete. Beat asphalt.